The monster sound of Loch Ness. This is where the fun begins. Hello there and guten Tag. This sound is, like its cousin we've seen before, a very German sound. And of course, this one is also not in the English language, at least spoken. There's a similar sound that you might be familiar with, but I had to grasp for the last straw, which is the Scottish language. Speak it like in Loch Ness. Open your mouth and push the air out. Don't raise your tongue, but widen your mouth. There you go. German example, Bach. English example, Loch. If you want to tame that Loch monster, please follow my channel.